your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So the setup is very similar to what it was yesterday in terms of our sensible weather right now. We had that morning fog that started off with a lot of low-level moisture. We have dew point values. Remember, dew point is a measure of how much moisture there is in the atmosphere. The higher the dew point, the more water vapor there is in the air. So as our dew points climb, it feels a little bit more humid usually, and that is the case again this afternoon. I think yesterday our dew point value was at 70 at this hour, so today it's at 68, virtually the same, and our temperature is climbing up near the 80-degree mark. So all in all, I think this afternoon is going to feel very similar to yesterday. Maybe a degree or two warmer, but other than that, it's going to feel slightly humid in the afternoon, but not uncomfortably so, and there'll be lots of sunshine around. I think it's going to be a gorgeous day. Daytime highs probably topping out around 81 or so. Winds now south-southeast at about 5, fairly light. We'll be switching around to the west this afternoon and stay there all afternoon long. Temperatures across the state generally coming in around the 80-degree mark or close to, upper 70s to near 80. 81 degrees in Tampa, 80 in Orlando, 81 in Melbourne. Now Orlando, maybe Melbourne, might be coming close to breaking a record today for a daytime high, so that's interesting. 79 degrees in Gainesville, Tallahassee, if you have kids up there. 71 degrees, a little bit more cloud cover north of us in the Panhandle, stretching back into the northern Gulf Coast. Locally, 81 degrees Mayaca, 80 in Wauchula, Arcadia at 81. Venice, you've got 78 degrees there. In Bradenton, you've got 80, and you do in Parrish as well. Down to the south, Punta Gorda coming in at 79. You had a little thicker fog around this morning, kind of held the temperatures down just a little bit there. And then in Northport, the same at 79 degrees as well. No rain falling. Don't expect to see any today. But to the north, as I mentioned, there's a little bit more cloud cover up in the Panhandle, and that's because of an area of low pressure kind of developing back toward Texas, actually in kind of the Arklatex region, and that's all gradually drifting off to the north and to the east. It's significant because it could bring us a little extra cloud cover on Thursday, perhaps. We'll wait and see how it develops, but that low pressure area will develop a cold front, and that cold front will gradually drift in this direction. North of us, there's certainly still some cold air in place, and it's producing a few scattered snow showers in down east Maine. Also back to the west, in the higher elevations of the Cascades and Olympic Mountain ranges, you've got some snow showers there and rain showers along the coastline of Washington state. This area of low pressure will produce rain showers through the deep south, and as it does that, kind of drag a frontal boundary closer to us. The stationary front to the north of us will wash away that front approaching from the west. I think, too, will stick north of us and eventually wash away, not really impacting our weather all that much, except perhaps producing a little extra cloud cover as it develops this line of showers in advance of it. Mostly sunny for the next couple of afternoons. We'll watch for that patchy morning fog around, again probably tomorrow morning, but rain-free skies right straight into next week. Now, next week, we do have a chance at some rain showers. Talk about it in a second. Northwest wind for boaters developing this afternoon. Should be a beautiful day on the waters. Basically smooth conditions out there. And the extended range forecast shows temperatures near the 80-degree mark each and every day for the next several days. Partly cloudy skies, chance of some morning fog. And then as we head into the weekend, I think we'll notice a little bit of a cloudier day on Sunday, and then perhaps on Christmas Day, a chance at a sprinkle or a passing shower as a front comes through. Now, it won't really be an Arctic blast of air, but it will cool us down to more seasonable temperatures, and maybe by New Year's, we might see some colder air arrive.